Straight, please. Do the same here as you did at the last junction. But yeah, you can't see, can you? She needs to get off the phone. She's still going to be on her phone doing this junction.
Looks like.
We'll turn right, please. Look how little people concentrate. We don't know what she's doing. Yeah, straight over the curb. Because she's on her phone.
Yeah.
Good job. Good. What are you expecting to go on up ahead? What lane are you going to pick?
Oh wow.
Funny, aren't they? I agree for the lower gear. Perfect. Spot on. Great decision. Wasn't going to get you anywhere, was it? Have a look at the car front left of the queue here and tell me, do you recognise it?
Oh wow, that got you very far.
Red light jumper. Why isn't he jumping the red light now with the police there?
Oh, I wonder why. He's probably just trying to get past us.
Funny. Shows you how far it gets people. Doesn't.
The worrying thing for other things accounts is where the giants. We can see the subtle out message at the hospital now. There'll also be armed officers on the streets during the course of this weekend's events. They say that they'll be there to reassure people local. After coming out on the stage dancing, Theresa May has told the Conservative Party conference no one wants a good Brexit deal more than her. We have sources said she's committed to delivering what the British people voted for. A man jailed for 20 years over an accident.
The further forward I go, the sharper the steer it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Agreed?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
So,
Blue one's
where's
jumping the red light.
Yeah.
Yeah. People don't care. So we've got to be careful of that. But it's really important when you're in the middle then to clear, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very important.
Very important.
Looking further back to see slightly bigger gaps.
Direct. Okay, which one's stopping? White one's jumping the red as well, isn't she?
Black, yeah.
You should have been moving quicker than that. Because you knew that the black one was stopping, but you were still sat on your foot brake.
Yeah, I should have
Makes
been.
sense?
Yeah, as soon as the white one really should have been.
You should have been on the way.
Yeah.
Spiral-ish roundabout. Do you know the one in front of, is that not red, no? Oh my word. So look at the gantry up above, that thing across the top. It's always going to be the right sided area which is going to stay on the motorway, because you'll never exit a motorway to the right. It's always off to the left, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that Audi likely to slow and try and push into one of these gaps on the left? You could spot it a mile off, couldn't you?
Yeah, the way he was pushing.
Yeah. Jeez, you're having a laugh. Okay, so the building blocks to then take the step forward are important to get in there. Alright. A lot of driving instructors don't. Do what they should do. Oh, is that bus just going straight through that? That's lethal, that. Isn't it?
I know. Pushing this road.
It's absolutely lethal. Days, to be honest.
I
I think tomorrow's meant to be beautiful as well. It's meant to be really nice. About 17 degrees today, I think. At some point it's going to get to. So you just drive on the pavement.
He's not got anywhere anyway. Like you said.
Driving a pavement to wait at a red light.
Right.
It's a big problem that you do need to fix. Is there any cyclists catching us up now?
No.
Okay, what's your road light round the corner? What should we be doing with what we see? Yeah, you should be getting on with it, shouldn't you? Okay, make sense?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Do you think this crossing is going to change?
No. Wait.
What a terrible bit of driving by the
brown one?
both of them,
Both.
to be fair. She just barged out and then he refused to just move and change lanes where he could have done.
So I was doing something wrong then.
Yeah.
Let you descend, didn't you?
Amazing bus driver. What a cracking job that is.